How to recover deleted photos on Google Photos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily recover deleted photos on Google Photos. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and do is open Google Photos. And then from here, you want to select any photo or video you want to delete. So let me just quickly go ahead and select any random video. Long press on it and then tap on this bin icon to delete it. Tap on allow to move this to bin. Now, once that is deleted, you can find it directly on your bin section as it suggests. And to find that, go to collections down below. You can easily find the bin icon at the top. Just go ahead and tap on it to head over to a recycle bin. And as you guys can see here, you can find the item that you have deleted. Just go ahead and select it, long press on it, and then find the option to restore. Tap on restore and you're good to go. Tap on allow to move it out of the bin and back to your normal camera roll. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.